Hey y'all. Well, we're on our way to Lake McKenzie for the maiden voyage of the new Fuzion. We're going to do our shakedown and see what we need to work on, what we need to do, what we need to get. Josh has been battling the wind all the way.
21 mile an hour wind straight out of the north.
Yeah, so it's taking us a little longer to get these 90 miles done than it normally does. But the girls and the dogs are loaded up. We're excited to get to spend some time in our new ride. So we'll see what we have to do. Okay, we should have been recording this from the beginning, but we're having trouble with our bedroom slide. It was not budging on the side that you're looking at right here. The other side was trying to come out fine, but this side, it's just not having it. It's coming out here. I don't know if you can see how it's uneven. This side is not. This is the first time we've had any issues with it. It's been coming in and out just fine. I don't know if something's gotten wedged in there from the trip. Except at the top. Okay, now it's all the way in. That does not sound nice at all. Well, but the right side now is not all the way in. At least we have a beautiful view for all the trouble we're having. Yeah, it's something on this bottom corner. What, babe? What? I heard him.
Okay. Back. Wow.
We're not going to open the back tonight, baby. Everly, get down, baby. Daddy's trying to fix something, okay?
Where? Here? Lila!
That left side that's actually working is not in.
How's it in?
Go a little bit more.
That's it.
Okay. Then yeah, I mean it looks like it's in.
What are you doing?
Well, after about 45 minutes and a little bit of lubrication, was able to get the slide out so we could at least enjoy the rest of the evening in the lake. I am going to take the trailer in to get a little bit of warranty work. Looks like something broke on the slide. Hopefully it'll be an easy fix and we'll get it back before our next trip.
Morning, y'all.
Alright. So did y'all have fun your first night in the camper?
Yeah!
Technically it's our second night. All right, morning everybody. Well, we got the first night down on the shakedown trip, and thank God this is a shakedown. Between the bedroom slide not coming out yesterday, one problem, I lubed up the gears and the side of the track on the slide and got it out. Come to find out, we're out of propane on one tank. That's no big deal. We'll go get propane this morning. But all in all, it's been pretty good. First night, we did have enough propane in the second tank that we kept the heater going. The heater worked great. Everything. No floods this time, because we made sure whenever we turned the water on, all the faucets were turned off and the drains were open. But we're at our favorite spot, Lake McKenzie. Beautiful sunrise. Got the boys hanging out in their little pen, cooking some breakfast on the Blackstone. Luckily, from our Jayco, I had all the connections to run into the quick connect that is right here behind the outdoor kitchen on the Fuzion here. So let's get breakfast done and see what this day brings. I am headed into Silverton, Texas to get some propane because one of our tanks empty and I'm not sure what's in the other tank. We'll be buying some propane sensors. But luckily we were able to get our spot and got paid up. But I was looking for my wallet this morning and it is nowhere to be found. So I think I left it at home. This is definitely turning out to be a shakedown trip for the camper. Breakfast turned out good. We had some good breakfast. Put out the patio for the girls to play on and the dogs to hang out outside. And Nicole's doing dishes. Had to figure out how to work the tankless water heater. I think it's a Girard. I think it's what it's called. But got it going. Figured out the kitchen sink is the opposite from our kitchen sink at home. When you turn the faucet out to turn the water on, towards you is hot instead of away from you like our kitchen sink at home. But got it figured. That's working. So far it has been an eventful trip. It's been a shakedown, trying to get everything ready because we've got a long trip. Hopefully 10 days or so coming up in July. We're going to go to Arkansas. So definitely want to get everything fixed and figured out for that trip. So definitely keep watching this video because it's probably going to get even more interesting. Hopefully better. Okay, so if you ever do come out to Lake McKenzie, or if you're coming through the area, you need some fuel or some propane, and you find yourself that you don't have any, like us, definitely hit up Silverton Oil Company. They've got propane, they've got gas, diesel, and it is probably one of the few full service stations you will find anywhere out on the road. All right, now that we got some propane, gonna swing by the only other store in Silverton, Texas, the Dollar General. Gonna grab us some apple juice because I'm gonna attempt to make some ribs, some smoked ribs, since I brought the Rectech. So hopefully they'll turn out good.
Picking up trash.
Picking up trash?
Yeah.
That's good. It's good for the earth, huh?
Mm-hmm. Y'all know I need it back.
Okay, well hang on. Let me shoot this video real quick and then I'll get you back.
Okay.
Love you.
Love you too.
All right.
Emily, you want to help me get trash? It's fun.
Yeah, y'all go get trash.
It's fun. I'm done cleaning
Okay.
on the top part.
All right.
It's fun.
All right. So since we got propane and a few other things from the Dollar General in Silverton, now we're gonna cook some ribs. And then this is just some St. Louis ribs. Gonna put some Texas sugar and gospel on the ribs and get those going, and then start making a few little minor adjustments and repairs on a brand new trailer. Well, I guess kind of new trailer. It's new to us.
The previous owners had it for what, 6 months?
maybe 6 months. The previous owner, so the manufacturer date on this was April of 22, and we picked it up in April of 23. And so you figure between time it's set on a lot, purchase, whatever, it's pretty much new. There's still stickers on all the electronics and TVs and stuff. But with any RV, you're going to have little things. Like I've noticed a couple of little things missing, and screws randomly loose. It's just with any RV. It doesn't matter if you're buying a Grand Design, a Fusion, or any other of the Thor products, Jayco, whatever. Just part of owning an RV, fixing it in different places.
The boys have gotten themselves locked in the garage. Yep, the door shut behind them. They love being on the deck though. They like getting their sun and getting warm. This is our shakedown video.
All right, we got the bedroom slide. First problem on the shakedown trip. Second problem, we ran out of propane. That's an easy fix. Ran into Silverton, got that. Then, what other problem did we have? there's so many. Nicole says not enough wine. But another problem we've been having is, as you can tell, the screw on the side of the door has been digging into the trim piece. So, you see that right there. So I've managed to get it adjusted the hinge a little bit and down here, and now we're shutting good. Alright, so now the door shuts. Easy, without doing damage. Now, get some touch-up paint, touch it up, make it look good again, since the screw chewed it up. Now, to just start going around and finding other little missing screws or other little problems.
Hey y'all, so it's about, what, 8:45, and we had a busy day of it. I was getting stuff organized and hung up and doing all the indoor stuff, and Josh was
doing the outdoor stuff, just finding little things that I can adjust, like the doors on the back patio here, which if you'll notice, we are on the back patio of the Fusion. Nicole's excited.
I'm excited about that.
The dogs love it, especially Oliver. But these back patios, this on my left side door was kind of sticking, so I added a little bit of lubricant. Doors work great now.
So it was a good
day.
And we were only here 2 nights, 1 full day, so we got a lot done, and we just needed somewhere, some space to just like lay everything out and walk through it. And we can't do that at home or really at the storage, so it was a good, and you can't beat the environment up here. It's so pretty and so quiet. It's been nice.
Out here and right off behind us is the lake and what's left of it, which Lake McKenzie needs a little rain, but
it's a lot of rain.
Yeah, it needs a lot of rain. Yeah.
But the girls are inside watching a movie, Willy Wonka.
Yeah, as Everly calls it.
In the Chocolate Factory. They've never watched it before. It's the newer version, not the
Johnny Depp version.
The old school one that we grew up with, the really creepy one. So, but anyway, so the girls are situated. The dogs are in there with them watching a movie, and we are completely immature. So we are going to do this. We're going to do this Sprite challenge where you have to like down a bottle of Sprite without burping while you're
I'm more worried about barfing.
We may not even post this. I don't know, but we're going to do it. So we have to drink. We have Sprite Zeros, and so we have to drink this entire bottle each.
Hopefully mine's flat.
Without burping through the whole bottle. And then we'll see.
A few moments later.
Sprite, like, it goes in and like it expands or something. I don't know, but this is what we do when we can't.
dumb stuff.
But it is gorgeous out here tonight.
Mhm.
Last night, all the stars were out. It was really pretty.
Yeah, there is not a cloud in the sky. That is the one thing that I love about Lake.
Sorry.
That's one thing I love about Lake McKenzie is it in West Texas. I don't like the wind, but
Over
it is
the winds.
it is worth it. Like right now, there is no wind.
There's a little-
Skies are clear, and here in a second you'll be able to see every single star. It's just there's no light pollution out here other than us.
Yeah.
But in a little bit we're going to turn those off and just sit here and just enjoy the quiet. You can hear the turkeys off in the distance,
Coyotes.
coyotes, cows. But it's just beautiful. If you've never been to Lake McKenzie for camping, still a little bit of fishing, but it's getting scarce. But the ATV trails are awesome. Some of the best ATV trails around out here. A little bit of everything. Sometimes there's mud, lots of rock crawling, just regular old forest trails.
Bugs.
And bugs. There's
Flying insects. Anyway.
So, well, we're going to hang out here, enjoy the rest of our evening. Then tomorrow we're going to pack up and head back home and start ordering parts and little odd and end things. Get ready for our big trip coming up in July, where we're going to go to Arkansas and hang out, see some family and some friends, and have a good time.
I'm from Arkansas. That's where I lived for 30 plus years, so it'll be fun to go back and see my bestie and see some family. And we're going to stay in Hot Springs for a week, so down on Lake Catherine. So we'll have a big trip. It's going to be a lot of fun.
Yep, definitely stay tuned once we get a few odd and end things. I was hoping to get a tour video done of the camper, but I think we're going to get a few things set up and adjusted and fixed, and then we'll do a full tour video. So definitely like and subscribe and stay tuned.
Night.
Good night, y'all.